Have you ever felt?
Damn.
Back with month 3 for the lock journey, and here's my hair. It is time for my retwist. I normally retwist my hair at 4 weeks, but I waited until 6 weeks. Will I do that again? Maybe not. Now the frizzies don't bother me because I like the frizzies. Sometimes it gives me that lock vibe, so I'm okay with the frizzies. It's just that it was kind of hard to get the parts back where they were, and I don't need to go through all popping. My favorite time is wash time, and I use the Suave Clarifying shampoo. It made my hair squeaky clean. So for month 1 and 2, I used the Murray's, and I just felt like I just needed to clarify my hair. I felt like I needed to. Look at my balls, guys. So veterans, what you guys have any comments about the balls? Please leave them in the comment section. But here's my hair. It's squeaky clean. It got the job done. I could really tell a difference. Okay, so now it is time to do my retwist. I can't see my parts, and sometimes I want to see my parts, and then when I get my parts, I don't want to see them. So it's so crazy. As I mentioned earlier, waiting 6 weeks made it super hard for me to get my parts together. My hair dries really fast, so I had to continue to spray water on it. I use water and oil in the back, and I use just a little of the Murray's in the front. I figure I can control the product buildup in the front if I get any. Hopefully not, but I can't control that back. Retwist is done. My scalp feels great. My hair feels clean. My locks feel so good to put my hands in my hair. I need to keep my hands on my hair. Really do. I'm just loving my baby starter locks. Look at them. Just let them flow. I'm just playing around with my hair right now. So what I use for my edges is water. No edge control. So I'm experiencing shrinkage. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Yep, I gotta put it on my head. I love it. And this is basically how you'll catch me out. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Check out my last video. It's my daughter with her box braids. And thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Turn your notification bell on so you can know when I post my next video. Bye guys.